Hey folks, my name is Randy Piku. I'm an NRA firearms instructor. Okay, we're talking about cleaning guns today, and I have an iron skillet in front of me. And I know you're wondering, what in the world is that about? Well, in all the videos that I've done on cleaning firearms, I always mention you never over oil a gun. It's one of the worst things you do. A lot of oil is your enemy. A little bit of oil is your friend. So I'm going to just give you a visual here of what over-oiling a gun can do. And I picked an iron skillet because it's kind of close to the color of a firearm. And I'm going to take some Hoppy's oil, same oil you use in your gun. I'm going to put it on the bottom of this skillet. And I'm going to rub it around here real good. And that is my over-oiled gun. Now you would think, man, I got a lot of oil on that thing. It's gonna really function well. But let me tell you what will happen. So also in my video, I'll tell you that you wipe off the excess oil. So I'm gonna do that on this half of this pan. All this excess oil is being wiped off. Now you say, well, sure, you wiping all the oil off. Well, no, I'm not wiping all the oil off. Unless I put some solvent on here or some dishwashing detergent or something like that that cuts through oil, there is a film of oil left on this side of the pan. This side of the pan is over oil, just like you would put too much oil in your gun. Now, I borrowed my wife's salt shaker here, and this is my fake carbon, okay? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna sprinkle it on this pan. On the under-oiled, or not under-oiled, the oiled and the over-oiled section. Now, if you let it sit there just a second, like you would if you cleaned your gun and over-oiled it, it's gonna sit there a while. What it's gonna do is start absorbing that carbon into the oil. And you can see that happening with this salt. It's just a visual analogy. And if you wanna look close, you can see the side without the abundance of oil is still white, grainy salt. This side is absorbing that oil and turning into kind of a gunk. Now this analogy would be better if I left it go a long time, but we're going to do it like this. We're going to take a dry towel and we're going to just kind of brush this. See how easy it just comes right off? This side, no salt, okay? No carbon. You can take the same towel and you're gonna do it with this. See what happens? Nothing happens. It's stuck to that oil. And if you take and rub it, even with your finger, you can actually hear maybe that gritty sound. You don't want that gritty sound inside of your firearm. And carbon will do the same thing. It'll cause a paste in there if it is absorbed by too much oil. So I just wanted to give you a visual. Sometimes that helps to understand that make a point about something. So again, I'll say one of the most important things about cleaning and lubricating a gun is don't use too much oil. Most guns will run fine, dry. Hope that helps you out.